Hello and welcome to our channel, where we provide you with the latest and greatest nail art tutorials. Today, we're going to show you how to create some amazing nail designs that will take your nail game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced nail artist, we've got something for everyone. So, let's get started. Design 1. Glitter Ombre. The first design we're going to show you is the Glitter Ombre. To create this look, you'll need a base coat, 2 different nail polish colors, and some glitter. Start by applying your base coat and letting it dry. Next, paint your nails with your first color and let them dry completely. Then, using a makeup sponge, dab on your second color starting at the tips of your nails and blending it into the first color. Once that's dry, apply a coat of glitter polish to the tips of your nails to complete the look. Design 2. Geometric patterns. For our next design, we're going to create some geometric patterns on our nails. To do this, you'll need some striping tape, a few different nail polish colors, and a steady hand. Start by painting your nails with a base color and letting them dry completely. Next, use the striping tape to create a geometric pattern on your nails. Once you've created your pattern, paint over it with your chosen colors, making sure to wait for each layer to dry before adding the next. Finally, remove the striping tape to reveal your amazing geometric design. Design 3. Floral Accents. Our final design is perfect for those who love a little bit of nature on their nails. For this design, you'll need a base color, a few different nail polish colors, a toothpick or dotting tool, and some patience. Start by painting your nails with your base color and letting them dry. Next, using your dotting tool, create small dots of different colors on your nails to create the petals of your flowers. Then, use your toothpick to draw a small line in the center of each dot to create the flower's center. Repeat this process for each of your nails and finish with a top coat to seal in your design. Design 4. Negative space stripes. Our next design is a chic and trendy negative space stripe design. To create this look, you'll need some striping tape, a base color, and a few complementary nail polish colors. Begin by applying your base coat and letting it dry completely. Next, use the striping tape to create thin stripes on your nails, leaving some spaces uncovered for the negative space effect. Then, paint the uncovered areas with your complementary colors. Wait for the colors to dry before removing the striping tape to